If you need to import a database on Namecheap Shared Hosting using PhpMyAdmin, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Whether you are restoring a backup, moving a website, or setting up a new project, importing your database correctly is one of the most important parts of getting your site running. And the best part is, once you know where everything is, the process is very quick. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful hosting and website tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel and it means a lot. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to Namecheap. From there, sign into the account that has access to your shared hosting plan. Once you are inside your dashboard, look for the hosting list option. This is where all of your hosting subscriptions are displayed, so click on that to continue. After that, find the hosting package you want to work with and click on Go to cPanel. This will open the control panel for your shared hosting account. cPanel is where you manage databases, files, domains, and all the important hosting tools, so this is the right place to be. Now inside cPanel, scroll down until you find the databases section. In that area, you will see PhpMyAdmin. PhpMyAdmin is the tool used to manage MySQL databases through a web interface, and it is what we need for importing your database file. Click on PhpMyAdmin to open it. Once PhpMyAdmin loads, you may see a list of databases on the left side. If you already know which database you want to import into, select that database first. If you are restoring a site backup, make sure you choose the correct database name so the import goes to the right place. This part is important because importing into the wrong database can cause errors or overwrite the wrong data. Next, at the top of PhpMyAdmin, click on the Import tab. This is the section specifically designed for uploading database files. You will usually use this when you have a SQL backup file that you want to restore into your hosting account. Now click on Choose File. A file browser will open and you should select the database file from your computer. In most cases, this will be a .SQL file, but it could also be a compressed file depending on how your backup was created. After selecting the file, double-check that the correct file is attached before continuing. Once the file is selected, just proceed with the import. PhpMyAdmin will process the database file and upload the tables, data, and structure into your selected database. Depending on the size of the file, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. If everything is correct, you will see a confirmation message letting you know the import was successful. And that's it. Your database is now imported on Namecheap Shared Hosting using PhpMyAdmin. From here, your website can start using that database, whether you are restoring WordPress, migrating a site, or setting up a fresh install. If you ran into any issues, the most common things to check are whether you selected the right database, whether the SQL file is valid, and whether the file size is within the hosting limits. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next hosting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.